How to clear keratosis pilaris at home. Easy DIY remedy. Hello, welcome back to Healthy Living Simplified, where we break down health topics into simple, easy to understand tips. If you've ever struggled with those tiny, rough bumps on your skin, often called chicken skin, don't worry. You're not alone. This is a common skin condition known as keratosis pilaris. Today, I'm going to show you a simple and effective home remedy to help clear it up. Let's get started. For this remedy, you'll need just a few simple ingredients. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil for deep hydration. 1 tablespoon of sugar, a natural exfoliant. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to help brighten your skin. 1 teaspoon of honey, a natural moisturizer and antibacterial agent. These natural ingredients work together to exfoliate, moisturize, and soften the skin. First, combine the coconut oil and sugar in a small bowl. Mix until it forms a paste. Then add the lemon juice and honey. Stir it well. Your DIY scrub is ready. Now, take a small amount of the scrub and gently massage it onto the affected areas in circular motions for about 2 to 3 minutes. This helps remove dead skin cells and unclog the hair follicles. Be gentle. Over-scrubbing can irritate the skin, so light pressure is key. After scrubbing, rinse it off with warm water and pat your skin dry with a soft towel. You'll already feel the difference. To lock in moisture, apply a gentle, fragrance-free moisturizer right after. Look for one with ingredients like urea, lactic acid, or ceramides to keep your skin smooth and hydrated. Repeat this remedy 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. While keratosis pilaris can't be cured completely, consistent care like this can significantly improve its appearance. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. See you next time. Stay smooth and confident.